Today I'm going to show you how to delete all of your photos on an Android device. So without further ado, let's climb straight in. So from within Google Photos on your mobile device, and you can only do this on your mobile device. So what you're going to do is make sure you can see all your photos, and on the top right you'll see there's three dots. You want to tap on this, and here you want to make sure that the layout is in month. Okay, so on an iPhone you'll be able to select all. However, on a Samsung or any device that's using an Android operating system, you can use this method. So you're going to go and make sure that it's on month, and you're going to select the first one, and from there you're going to hold down on the second one and you're going to drag your finger. As you can see, it is now selecting all of those images. Now you can run all the way down and do this method, making sure that you are selecting every single one of your images, and you're simply going to tap on the delete button.